So what we have here are these beautiful squarish tins with an absolute cute logo, and the dabba with me right now is of the soulful sambar podi. Who all agree with me that sambar rice can be soul food? I have with me the rich rasam podi. Rasam, in my opinion, is a cold food. So when there is a good rasam boiling on the stove, it just gets people hungry. This is a rich rasam powder, which I am quite sure is going to be incredible. What we have is the twisty till podi, sesame podi, and this I think goes really well with idli, dosa, curry, and rice. So here it is, the Magic Podi. What's magical is that it can be sprinkled on dal, curries, pickles, and even pasta. I wonder how that's going to be. I really look forward to trying this. Here it is. Coming up next is the incredible idli podi. Now, as the name suggests, you can certainly have it with idli and dosa. Use this idli podi by making something with broken idlis and some vegetables and sprinkle it all on top and have it like a upma or a poha made from idlis. I think this idli powder is going to taste really good with that. Incredible idli podi for you. The sixth box unveiling is the carnival curry podi. Idli, dosa, curry, rice. The word curry always makes me think about the British and how they made all our rasam, sambars, gravy items into curry. So I look forward to trying this curry and seeing how it tastes. I'm sure it's going to be quite good. So Carnival curry podi here. I guess this is like multi functional podi. The last one now is the crunchy kandi podi. Childhood memories when mom didn't make something that seemed tasty enough. Kandi padi always came to the rescue. You could always have kandi padi with rice and some ghee on it. To this day it continues to be a comfort food, and something that always is in my kitchen. I really look forward to how this can be. um, I'm really extremely excited to try all of them in my recipes and let you know how it comes out. You can also cook your fame by using these 7 magical podis from Salt Pepper Podi. Hashtag cook your fame.
My flame